Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the power and volume flex on the Google Pixel 4 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and follow with the back cover removal. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic cup pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While removing the back cover, be gentle. The flash sensor plugs connects with the back cover. Next, take out the bracket by undoing 5 screws. Next, take out the sensor bracket by undoing 2 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug and sensor plug from the board. And now the back cover unit can leave from the body. Next, take out the bracket by undoing 4 screws. Next, take out the front camera module by disconnecting 3 plugs and undoing 2 screws. Next, take out the bracket by undoing 2 screws. Next, pull out the logic board by disconnecting 7 connector plugs, the antenna head and ejecting the SIM tray. Be gentle and move cable aside while pulling out the board. Next, take out the battery by applying heat. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. Next, take out the button flex by undoing 2 screws from the frame. Be gentle and cut the adhesive under the cable to release it. Next, gently pry the power and volume cable. Next, take out the not working power and volume flex cable with the bracket. For the replacement, you can select the flex cable with the bracket or only the flex cable. If the selection is only the flex cable, pry the line from the bracket and then place the new flex cable on the bracket with adhesive. Next, place the new power and volume flex cable with the bracket and then secure the bracket by adding 2 screws. And then gently fold the line and put it on the frame. Next, place the logic board in the body. Be gentle while placing. Move cable aside and secure the board. Next, secure 7 connector plugs, the antenna head and the SIM tray into the board. Next, secure the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, place the battery with adhesive. Next, place the front camera module by adding 2 screws and connecting 3 connector plugs. Next, place the bracket by adding 4 screws. Next, connect the back cover sensor flex to the board and then place the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, connect the battery plug and then secure the bracket by adding 5 screws. Next, before closing the device, it is good to verify the functionality by powering up the device. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.